welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of the Gucci slide sandals with the platform on them. And if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys go check out my luxury playlist. If you want to know more information or have any questions, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. You have to be following me on Instagram and DM me. With that being said, let's get started with this unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. And then I'm gonna open it, and the slides do come with a dust bag, and these are the Gucci slide sandals. Like, I'm so glad that I got them in this type of color with the red and the tan, because I don't really have that much red in my wardrobe, and I feel like this would be perfect. Look how they look though. These are so nice. Okay, as you can see all around right here, the GG is in red and the background of it is in a beige color. Then on the inside, this is red with the GG that's red also. Well, it's in printed red. These are so tight. Like, I'm so glad that I got these. And I was thinking about getting the other ones, but I want to hold on because I have to wear these first. Like, these are so nice. But underneath them, it has the GG, then Gucci, and it's just that beige color. And the platforms on these are not even that big. At first I thought they were gonna be huge, and actually they're not that big, so these are really good to walk in. They're not too high. Underneath right here, it does have some type of grip when you walk on them, and it has that design on it. I'm gonna try these on for you guys, but one thing I do want to say is that I got these in a size 40 because my normal size is a size US 8, but for some reason I thought they were gonna be too big or something. But no, definitely get your normal size with these. I'm definitely going to get a 39 in these instead of a 40. I thought I needed an 8.5, ran to 40, but no, I need a whole entire US 8 European 39. But I just love how these look, and it matches with my top that I have on. I'm so excited to try these on for you guys. When you do get these, you really want to be careful with the inside. You're probably gonna have to spray something to protect the inside. That probably won't even work, but eventually I will see my toe little prints in here, especially if I'm going to be wearing them a lot. But I really don't mind that because these are too cute. Like, look at these though. These are good for going out, casual outfits, literally any outfit with these type of colors, or an outfit that's all black. These could be like a pop of color. So many different ideas with these. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how they look on my feet, even though they're going to be a little bit too big. I'm gonna just give you guys an example on how they would look with my foot shape and everything. So that's how they look on my feet. They don't look that bad on camera, but once I start walking, it's gonna be, no, I'm getting my size 39, best believe. It's still gonna be the same thing, but it's just gonna fit way better. But I'm just gonna show you guys how these look again. This is the red and the beige and the platform size. It's literally this big, not much at all. And the design of these, the back though, I'm glad it has this. I'm so glad it has that. It gives more of a grip when you're walking, and it has a nice design at the bottom of it. It's not looking basic at the bottom or underneath. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Gucci unboxing with the slide sandals with the platforms on them. Let me know if you guys want to see more luxury shoe unboxings or luxury unboxings in general, because I genuinely love doing them. Like I said, if you have any questions or concerns, like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and DM me for more information and all that. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.